Hello guys, Victor Isibo here once again. How are y'all doing? First timers to this YouTube channel. Here we're in the business of reviewing make money online and offline opportunities. If stuff like this is what brings you to YouTube, I want to invite you to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. I'm not an investment advisor. Do your own due diligence. I shall not be responsible for any profits you make or any losses you incur as a result of you interacting with my content. Now that we've gotten that disclaimer out of the way, today we're reviewing the BONDEX app. It's been around for a while, and right here we're on the website. Before the end of the video, we'll take a sneak peek of the mobile application. Typically, people come here to hear my opinion about these make money online and offline opportunities, and that's what I call my counterpunch. So make sure you don't miss my counterpunch at the end of the video. Typically, what I do is interact with the website or the application, then tell you my thoughts at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around. You don't want to miss it. So BONDEX, it says it's a Web 3.0 talent network and marketplace. Detail, they said network hire, refer, learn, and work to earn. BONDEX is revolutionizing how employers and talent connect through a democratized recruitment process that aligns their incentives to find the best professionals for every job opportunity. Our system utilizes Web3 technologies to enable simple and efficient hiring for employers, professionals, and recruiters. Apparently, they have download app. Apparently, they have applications available for downloads, and they have a job portal. There's a short video here telling you what it's all about. What we are building? They said a job board. We're revolutionizing recruiting through gamification. We equip you with the tools to build a reputation and create bounty-based referrals, professional network, curated news feed, education, marketplace. I said it's a win-win for all participants, and for the employers, there's something in there for you, and for the introducers, you can refer your people, your contacts to BONDEX, and you will earn referral commissions. And for talent, people who are looking to get jobs, there are also benefits for you guys. How to get started? You will find an invite link in the description of this video. And looking at the application, they have both on the Google Play Store and on the iOS Store as well. Let's go to the mobile application real quick. The mobile application, as you can see, they are giving out tokens. BNDX token, the native token of BONDEX, they're giving it out through mining. Okay, when you download the mobile application, you're mining it on your phone and you're earning tokens. Let me counterpunch. Every time I hear about a crypto project, even though I am not an expert with crypto, I always adopt common sense in everything I do. Trust me, common sense would never disappoint you. First thing I'm on the lookout for is the use case. A crypto token without a use case is going to be useless. And we've seen a lot of projects that do not have a viable use case. And those tokens are just backed up by hype and staking rewards. You see projects where they said if you can have XYZ number of tokens and you stake it, you're going to be earning XYZ amount of tokens on a daily basis. Those projects are majorly backed by hype, and they dangle a carrot right in front of you, daily rewards, to make you want to use those tokens. And the question I ask promoters of such platforms is, what did Bitcoin and Ethereum dangle in front of us to make us acquire them, to make their prices skyrocket? Bars. Because you see crypto tokens popping up here and there, offering incentives for staking, very juicy incentives and all that, And I'm asking, how did Bitcoin get there? How did Ethereum get there? How did those coins get there without a staking plan and offering rewards? Projects that offer us these exciting staking rewards, their only plan for their coins to appreciate in value and pump is hype. And trust me, not only with crypto, anything that is backed up by hype, it doesn't last long at the peak. It comes back down because hype eventually dies down. So I'm always on the lookout for use cases. And with BONDEX, as you can see, it is like LinkedIn on blockchain. It's like incorporating crypto to LinkedIn. Professional job seekers, you can build your profile. The moment you use the link in the description to join, you would see that your qualifications, work experience, they create a profile for you. And they're going to have a job portal where employers can come, and advertise vacancies. And, you also can refer your friends. You have professionals in different fields. You can refer them to BONDEX, as I'm about referring you. Come in here, let us know what your qualifications are, and you can join the job hunt. That is a massive use case. And giving out their free tokens for mining, that is also going to, spread the word. And more people who are looking for jobs are going to come in, and invariably the coin is going to pump. The rate of unemployment is high in most countries. So trust me, people who are professionals and are looking for jobs, they would jump at the opportunity to come in and, earn a few tokens while looking for a job. So the use case is a very powerful one. It's relevant and it's making the future of BONDEX look very, very bright. So trust me, I like the project. And I'm mining BONDEX, as you can see, and you can feel free to join me and mine as well, while we hope for price appreciation and incorporation of this crypto token into some of the major exchanges. Okay, are you mining BONDEX? How long have you been mining it? What are your thoughts about this project? Leave it in the comment section below. Give this video a like, share it within your social media community. And of course, please subscribe. And let me see what your thoughts are about BONDEX in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Isibo. It is bye for now.